An application of energy-efficient algorithm for the comparison and optimization of component-based distributed computing in 5G networks. By Kamlesh Kumar Verma, Rajesh Kumar Saini and Sachin Upadhyay. In the present scenario, the wired network or wireless networks is an application across the world. These networks are two common ways to connect devices which enable communication between them. So, wired networks are used in various software industries, educational institutions, and various enterprises such as distributed data centers. The data transmission works like a flow of electricity in a linear way. Therefore, in this process during the data transmission exhibits from one stage to another the energy consumption in carbon footprint, that is CO2. The data transmission is two types of methods, 1. Communication-based, 2. Component-based. Here this paper concludes the compared study of component-based energy consumption using the Bell-Manford algorithm and Dijkstra's algorithm. The results and finding measurement as discussed in this paper. The Bell-Manford algorithm is an algorithm that computes the shortest paths from a single source vertex to all of the other vertices in a weighted graph. Dijkstra's algorithm solves the problem of finding the shortest path between two vertices in a weighted graph with the smallest total number by finding the shortest distance between the initial node and other vertices so that the path formed from the initial node to the destination node has the smallest number of weights. In this paper, the implementation of various single-source optimization algorithms was done. The performance curve of the algorithm illustrates the simulation results. Additionally, the application of these algorithms in the distributed network can effectively reduce the communication energy consumption of the component devices and effectively extend the network lifetime. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.